Hello, this is Jason, and I am standing on the beach in Pattaya. Just came out of the Central Pattaya Mall. And it looks like they have a condo that sits right on top of it. That would be a nice place to stay. Here's the beach. I might get me one of these chairs. Have a coconut. But I'm just gonna walk down the big old beach road sidewalk. Very huge. And the beach gets a little wider as you go down, it seems. I'm gonna walk down a ways. It's a beautiful day out. It's 84 degrees. But there's a nice cool breeze coming off the Gulf of Thailand. So it feels cooler. And so far, my impressions of Pattaya, potato, it'd be a nice, place to come and get away for a couple days, but I don't think I would want to live here myself. They got a mall, they got everything you need, but Bangkok is more. I don't know, I like the meetups. I looked on the meetup app. I like to meet people here. There was nothing. So I like going to those meetups in Bangkok. Seems like it's easier to meet people in Bangkok myself. Personal opinion after one day. I don't know if they have other ways that people meet up in Pattaya. And the major, Bangkok's not too different, but the major pastime here is drinking. Tons of bars here. Thousands, if not tens of thousands of bars. Horrible place for an alcoholic to come. Yeah, so this is the street where my hotel's at. Or where that Sereno Hotel sign's at. Up that street about a block. We'll go a little farther up this way. Dogs laying in the shade. And Beach Walk Road this must be the old one they haven't redone yet, or if they even plan to. I like those slate tiles better. I think this might be the end of the umbrellas. lot of boats out there. Alright. Let's go get a coconut. Hello, Swatika. Can I get a chair? Here. Oh. Okay. I'll have a coconut. I just ate food. Let's see if there's sticky rice. I'll do some sticky rice.
One sticky rice.
Not bad. Nice cool breeze sitting in the shade. Oh, very nice. Let me take my shoes off. My sandals. I only brought my sandals down to Pattaya. Oh. Oh, very nice. Look at me chilling. Chilling. Some nice chairs. Get a coconut. Sticky rice. Which I think is a total of 80 baht. Almost $3. Cup and cup. I'll give you a little spoon too to eat your coconut after you're done drinking it. Oh my, it's one full coconut. Yeah, this is a nice place to come and decompress from the crazy Bangkok city. I'd get bored of the beach though. How many coconuts can you drink on the beach? Until you're bored. Not that many for me. I prefer the hustle and bustle of Bangkok. More stuff going on. But I appreciate this as a place to get away. So, I'm gonna sit here, sip on my coconut. Where the sticky rice went. But just want to give you a little glimpse of the beach life in Pattaya. I think I heard the Thai people saying Pattaya. So I'll say it that way. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.